Cholera is an infectious disease caused by consuming food or water contaminated with the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. Cholera is a gram-negative waterborne disease that reproduces asexually, present in unsanitary water in places of poor hygiene. Usually taking 12 hours to 5 days, symptoms include fever, vomiting, and watery diarrhea leading to dehydration. It is possible for a person infected with the virus to be asymptomatic. It's important for a person infected with the virus to seek treatment immediately, as cholera can lead to death if left untreated. Cholera can be easily prevented by proper hygiene and sanitary measures. Treatment for cholera include hydration to replenish lost fluids, such as oral and intravenous solutions. Cholera enters the body through the oral route and can continue on past the esophagus. Vibrio cholerae moves past the stomach where it can survive the acidic conditions and attaches itself to the intestinal walls, releasing toxins, increasing the absorption of fluid that then exits through the anus or mouth by vomiting or watery diarrhea. This means cholera affects the alimentary canal, starting at the mouth and ending at the anus. But can the bacterium Vibrio cholerae affect other organs and parts of the body? A study done by Jack T. Shannon and Robert C. Kimbrough presented 2 cases of possible pulmonary infection due to cholera. The first case discussed in the study presented a 67-year-old man in August 2001 with previous health issues showing up to a hospital with signs of coughing and shortness of breath. Prior to showing up to the hospital, he fell into a canal and was later pulled out after being face down in the water. The patient was later diagnosed with pneumonia. Doctors suspected it may have been the cause of aspiration of the water from the canal coming from the Pecos River in New Mexico. Blood and urine from the patient was analyzed and results revealed a gram-negative organism present. The analysis presented results of Vibrio cholerae that was later confirmed by the New Mexico State Laboratory. The second case happened the previous year, August 2000. A 25-year-old woman with no health issues showed up to a burn center after being exposed to an exploding natural gas pipeline. While she was camping, she dove into the Pecos River during the time of explosion. Signs of respiratory distress were present, and 2 days later she had pneumonia. After taking a sample of mucus, further analysis showed the presence of gram-negative rods. In both cases, they consumed water from the same source, and their pneumonia cleared up after taking antibiotics. Shannon and Kimbrough believe that these patients accidentally consumed water contaminated with Vibrio cholerae, ultimately causing their pneumonia, coming to the conclusion of possible pulmonary infection due to the bacterium Vibrio cholerae. But what do you think? Can Vibrio cholerae really infect other organs and parts of the body, or are these 2 cases simply just coincidence?